where I'm going to mount the drives. I'm going to mount them on the back here of the hard drive carriages. So we'll continue on with that. So what you do is you just take that bracket right there and just slide it up. And there's really no point of exposing my solid state drives because none of them got RGB. They're just ordinary ones without any special lighting or anything. And I figured, rather do it that way. And then if you mount them on these, what I discovered on some of the hard drives, the label, this one's fine, but the Western Digital one, they got the labels backwards if you go to try to screw it from the back and put it on the front. So that's why I decided I'm going to mount them on these brackets over here. So, alright, let's mount them. So how you mount them, you just put those two screws in on each side. And it's in that screw right there. Alright, and that's the Western Digital and the ADATA solid state drives installed on the back side. Now let's continue on with the hard drives. I don't know how we're going to mount them because I'll be using the second system, so I got to take a look at the manual and see if there's any other optional places to mount it.